Hey tech folks, ever wondered what the future holds? Does the frightening possibility of being taken over by robots scare you? From surveillance drones to gene editing, technology is pushing boundaries like never before. Are we ready to face the ethical dilemmas that these advances bring? Will these technologies help us or destroy us? Join us as we explore the 10 most surprising and terrifying technologies emerging. And now, the future. Surveillance drones, such as the DJI Phantom 4 RTK, are becoming increasingly common in security and monitoring areas. This model, priced at around $6,000, offers advanced features like high-resolution imagery and precise mapping capabilities. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and the ability to capture 4K video, it is used by both governments and businesses for surveillance. However, the ease of operation and growing access to this technology raise serious privacy concerns. Imagine being watched without your consent. It's becoming an increasingly possible reality. This potential invasion of personal privacy is one of the greatest challenges we face with the proliferation of these devices. What's your opinion on using drones for surveillance? Leave your comment. Genetic editing with CRISPR. CRISPR-Cas9 is a groundbreaking genetic editing tool that allows precise modification of DNA sequences. Since its introduction in 2012, it has been used to correct genetic mutations and treat hereditary diseases. CRISPR kits for laboratory use range from $500 to $2,000, depending on complexity and application. While many see CRISPR as a hopeful tool for eliminating genetic disorders, it also raises deep ethical questions, such as the risk of eugenics and potential unforeseen consequences of altering the human genome. In 2018, a case in China involving the genetic editing of human embryos sparked global debate about the need for stricter regulations. The possibility of altering the very essence of human life is both fascinating and concerning. What do you think? Are we ready for these advancements? Autonomous military robots. Autonomous military robots are becoming an increasingly present reality in combat and reconnaissance scenarios. The Spot from Boston Dynamics is a quadruped robot that costs around $75,000 and is capable of navigating complex terrain, performing reconnaissance missions, and carrying loads. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, Spot can operate in dangerous environments, replacing soldiers in risky missions. However, the idea of robots making autonomous decisions in combat raises significant ethical questions. Who is responsible for the actions of a robot in a war zone? Automation on the battlefield could reduce human casualties, but also further dehumanize conflict. Regulation and control of these technologies are crucial to ensure their responsible use. How do you view the future of robots in warfare? Technology 7. Advanced Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming various sectors, from healthcare to finance. Systems like IBM Watson, launched in 2011, can process large volumes of data and provide detailed insights. The cost to implement a solution like Watson can start around $200,000, depending on the company's needs. While AI can improve efficiency and offer innovative solutions, it also raises concerns about job loss due to automation and the impact on privacy, as these systems often collect and analyze large amounts of personal data. The growing dependence on AI also makes us question how much we can trust these systems to make critical decisions. Balancing technological advancement with human rights is a central issue in this debate. How do you feel about the increasing presence of AI in our lives? Technology 6. Nanotechnology, which involves manipulating materials at the atomic or molecular scale, promises to revolutionize fields such as medicine and electronics. Nanobots, tiny robots that can operate within the human body, are one of the most promising innovations. These devices, still in the experimental phase, have the potential to perform tasks such as precise drug delivery to target cells or tumor removal. However, the development and production of these nanobots are costly, with research expenses often exceeding millions of dollars. Additionally, introducing nanobots into the human body raises concerns about safety, control, and potential long-term health impacts. Nanotechnology offers a potential revolution but requires careful regulation and rigorous ethical debate to ensure its benefits outweigh the risks. Would you feel comfortable with nanobots circulating in your body? Technology 5. Advanced biometrics, such as facial and voice recognition, are becoming increasingly common for security and authentication. Technologies like Apple's Face ID, introduced in 2017 with the iPhone X, use infrared cameras and depth sensors to map the user's face accurately. This technology can recognize faces even in low-light conditions, providing a convenient and secure solution for device unlocking and digital payments. However, the growing reliance on biometrics raises privacy and surveillance concerns, especially when biometric data is collected without explicit consent from individuals. Collecting and storing sensitive information like facial patterns requires stringent data protection measures to prevent misuse. How do you feel about the collection of your biometric data? Do you think the convenience is worth the risk? Technology 4. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, like those developed by Neuralink, are breaking barriers between mind and machine. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, is working on implantable devices that can read and stimulate brain activity, allowing people with motor disabilities to control computers and other devices with their thoughts. These devices, still in the testing phase with animals, have the potential to revolutionize the treatment of neurological conditions. However, the initial cost of these technologies is high, with estimates suggesting that the first commercial devices could cost tens of thousands of dollars. Beyond technical issues, BCIs raise ethical concerns about mental privacy and the possibility of thought manipulation or control. The idea of directly integrating human brains with technology is both fascinating and frightening. Would you be willing to use a brain-computer interface? Technology 3. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are changing the way we interact with the digital world. The Oculus Quest 2, released in 2020, is one of the most accessible and popular VR devices, priced at around $299. It offers immersive experiences in gaming, education, and training with a resolution of 1832 by 1920 per eye and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. However, prolonged use of VR can cause adverse effects such as nausea and disorientation, and raises concerns about dissociation from reality. Additionally, significant data collection during AR and VR use, including eye movements and emotional reactions, poses serious privacy issues. As these technologies become more integrated into our daily lives, it is crucial to address these concerns responsibly. Have you tried AR or VR? How was your experience? Technology 2. Advanced tracking technology. Advanced tracking technology, such as RFID, radio frequency identification, chips, is becoming widely adopted across various sectors, from logistics to personal security. These chips, which can be as small as a grain of rice, allow precise tracking of objects and even people. They are relatively inexpensive, with basic chips costing only a few cents, but their large-scale application raises significant privacy and data security concerns. In some cases, RFID chips have been implanted in employees to facilitate access control and task automation, a practice that is highly controversial. While this technology offers clear benefits in terms of efficiency and security, it also presents potential risks of excessive control and infringement on personal rights. How would you feel knowing you're being constantly tracked? Do you think the benefits of this technology outweigh the risks? Technology 1. 3D printing of human organs is one of the most innovative and promising areas of biotechnology. Companies like Organovo are at the forefront of this technology, using 3D bioprinters to create human tissues that can be used for medical research and, eventually, transplants. The process involves using stem cells to print layers of tissue, creating three-dimensional structures that mimic human organs. However, the cost of this technology remains extremely high, often reaching millions of dollars, limiting its access to a few laboratories and research centers. Besides the technical challenges, printing organs also raises ethical questions about life manipulation and the possibility of creating entire human beings in the future. Bioprinting could revolutionize the treatment of many diseases, but it also requires careful consideration of ethical implications. What do you think about the future of 3D printing in medicine? These are just a few of the technologies shaping our future in impressive and sometimes frightening ways. Which of these technologies do you find most fascinating or concerning? Leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It helps a lot and costs you nothing. Over and out.